Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for LAM students. We are still on acupuncture channels, specifically the EOVs or the extraordinary vessels. And today we shall be discussing um, one particular channel called Yin Wei Mai um, thoroughly. Okay. And we are very honored to have with us, straight from Sampaloc, Manila, Mom Trix. Good afternoon, Mom Trix.
Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon, everyone.
Let's get started. Okay. Um, in Wei Mai, what are the alternate names or what is Yin Wei Mai also called?
Uh, in linking and in network vessel.
Okay, so this is basically connecting all the yin or everything that is yin, no? Where does the Yin Wei Mai originate?
Originates on the medial side of the leg at the kidney 9.
Okay, so obviously it will also originate at a yin channel, which is kidney 9. What is the pathway? Can you tell us briefly the pathway?
It ascends along the medial aspect of the leg and thigh to the lower abdomen, ascends to the ribs at liver 14. From there, it ascends to the throat to meet REN 22 and REN 23.
So most likely, if we have issues like sore throat, we can probably make like just in case the other points did not work, we might consider using this points, no? So thank you. Parang talagang aral na aral after 2 weeks. Okay. What are the master and couple points? So every time we talk about EOVs, we would always include, which is very important, no? The master point and the couple point. What are they?
Um, PC6 and spleen 4.
So obviously, yin sila, yin points. So for women, as usual, sabi daw nila, which I don't entirely agree, women are always right. So you start with the right PC6 and then the left SP4. For men, you use the left
Left side.
PC6 and the right SP4. What are the coalescent points of the in-way Mai? So ibig sabihin, since this channel doesn't have any points, so it relies on other channels, the regular channels for their points. So can you mention them?
Um, it's kidney 9, spleen 12, 13, 15, 16, liver 14, REN 22 and 23.
So dito we could really see very impactful yung kidney 9 because this is where the in-way Mai starts and it ends at the throat, no? REN 22, REN 23. What is the she cleft point of the in-way Mai?
Kidney 9.
What is the physiology or the function of the in-way Mai?
It dominates the interior, balances emotions, and it links all the yin channels of the body.
Yeah, that's why it's also called a yin linking channel, no? It links all the yin. So, so if you happen to be like you cannot control your emotions, you might as well use this channel, no? So it dominates interior
Mhm.
balances emotions and links all the in channels. Okay, what happens if there is disharmony of the in-way mind? What happens? Like these are the features that we have to look for in a patient who may come to you one day, and then you wouldn't know what to do. So, in my experience lang ha, when you think of using the extraordinary chan or a vessel, you will have most of the psycho emotional issues are they work this channels work.
So there's lack of trust,
Hmm.
pensiveness, uh, obsession, torn emotionally, apprehension, heartache, phobias, and anxiousness.
Okay. Na-stress ako dun sa obsession. Can you tell us more about it? Uy, wala akong binapatama ah.
Wala.
I don't really, ano,
Hindi, I'm not. Wala.
baka kasi parang naiyak ka na. But anyway,
Hindi
so, kaya don't be mad if the person is not looking, para bang, parang walang tiwala, no? Kasi most likely that person has been through a lot, right? So,
Tama.
kaya nga nagpatingin eh, no? Don't take it
Mm-mm.
against the person, no? So ngayon, picture niyo na, oh, heartache, di ba? Masyadong
Mm-mm.
may phobias, so ayaw na ma-in love. Oh,
Mm.
okay. Oh, picture niyo na yung ganong itsura. Ha? I tried using this one. Yung yung hindi maisara yung mata. Uy, effective siya ha, as in.
Effective.
Yes. Nakalimutan mo na. Okay. Number 9. Okay, let's go now to... Okay, when you talk about in Waymay, in mga... Kasi masyado siyang like, if a person kasi is emotional, parang for me, medyo fragile siya. So very in. And so, madali siyang, hindi siya maka-let go. Parang, yun nga, no? So, if
Mm.
you have heart pains, emotional pain, okay, where is this coming from? Like, saan nanggagaling yung hugot?
Usually, money problems,
Yeah, number
prosperity.
one yan.
Yeah,
Ako,
number one.
ewan ko pa. Ano?
Prosperity, health, career, vocation, relationships, children or creativity, adventure, and cultivating a sense of home.
Yeah, kaya nga, no? Ah, can you imagine if you have all of this, no?
Problems, yeah.
Yeah. These days, kasi you cannot blame. Like, people had to work. Both husband and wife have to work. Uh,
Mm-mm.
yun. Now we know. Okay. So, don't... So there are people who are so clingy, so kasi nga, the fear of losing. There are people talaga na
Mm.
bawal talaga mawalan, no? They might...
They're afraid of letting go.
Tanungin kaya natin yung taga Palawan. Akala ko tuloy si counselor nag-a-attend eh. Ma'am, Doc She, how are you?
Hi, Doc Shea.
Hi,
Good afternoon.
hi, nurse.
Wow,
Good afternoon, nurse.
iba na talaga ang future konsehala.
Uy,
So,
hindi ah.
sabay na sila
Hindi kasi
mag-learn.
may may session po siya kanina. Yung phone ko yung gumamit ng Zoom. So, hindi ko na-edit kanina. Na-realize ko late na kasi.
Parang blooming na
Na-edit
blooming
ko.
ka ngayon. Parang buntis ka na naman ulit. Anjo?
Uy, hindi ah. Opo. Opo, baba niyo.
Uy, ay, sorry.
Uy,
Istorbo ka.
nandito ako sa Iloilo ngayon.
Ay,
May, kami.
iba talaga. O, sige.
May
So,
nilakad
nasa,
lang kami.
nasa ano ka, traveling mode. Okay. Sana all.
Opo, opo, opo. May
Sana
tinik lang
hindi.
ako, Doc.
Oo, hindi daw darating yung bagyo eh. Dahil nandiyan ka sa
Uy,
Iloilo.
umuulan dito ngayon. Ano ka ba? It's raining.
Okay lang yan.
It's raining hard
Na
here.
eh. Okay. Uy,
Sige,
makinig ka,
Doc.
doktora ha.
Sige po.
You will
Thank
love
you.
this. Okay. That was all about emotional, no? Emotional pain related to money, to,
Relationship,
you know, hindi
career.
na kasi uso ngayon yung nakastay ka lang sa bahay. Oh my God. Anyway, let's go now to physical symptoms. What are they?
There's heart pain, palpitations, restlessness, uh, affected mind or Shen, low back pain, depression or fear, dizziness, and fainting.
So, yeah. kung nakikita mo, meron pa rin siyang meron pa rin siyang emotional component, no? Like depression and fear, I don't think it's only physical, no? So,
Mm-mm.
okay. Ano nyo na? Sum up nyo na lahat. In-way allows energetic access to one point. Inner gate to... kaya pala very effective to. You know, I've tried this on the...
Mm.
Kumalma, nagbago isip. What's the point?
Pericardium 6.
Wow. What are the functions of the in-way?
It links the kidneys, spleen, liver, and ren channels.
Mhm.
Also dominates the interior of the body, regulates the infusion and effusion of qi and blood in the channels rather than being involved in the blood circulation. It also
So,
communicates with all the yin.
yeah, if you are very observant, ang minention na dito puro channels, no? This is one of those instances where nagpa-check na lahat, walang nakita. Why? Kasi nasa channel lang, no?
Mm.
Hmm. Yun. Kidney, spleen,
Mm.
liver, ren, channel. Lahat ng yin channels. Kaya ayusin yung yin. Kung pag sobra yung yin, bawasan yung yin. Kasi
Mm.
nakakagdamp yan. Hindi ka makamove on. Kailangan kumawala ka.
Mm.
I joke. What are the primary indications for the yin way? Or kailan mo gagamitin? Like,
Um,
yeah. Kasi walo yung ating extraordinary vessels, diba? So,
mm. So if there's cardiac pain, melancholia, uh, interior syndromes such as chest pain, cardiac pain, and and stomach ache.
yeah. So usually, stomach and chest, no? Alam
Mm.
mo ba na sometimes, if you have a heart issue, um, yung heart issue talaga, hindi naman sinabi dito may heart problem. Um, ano siya, yung bang, interior na pala, sorry, sa loob na, kasi hindi na resolve, no? Um, Usually pag stomach pain, also consider the heart, no? Oo. Talagang,
So,
yeah, kaya ito. Basta chest pain, heart pain, think of this channel. For all you know, it's all about emotions. The confluent point of the in-way.
pericardium 6.
Okay. Physical symptoms of the classic physical symptoms, paulit-ulit, hanggang sa memorize.
Heart pain, palpitations, restlessness, affected shen, low back pain, depression or fear, dizziness, and fainting.
Okay. Kaya minsan kasi sometimes the husband would think na gawa-gawa lang ng wife, no?
Mm.
Pero if nagpa-check naman kayo, ilang beses na negative pa rin. So the
Mm.
pain, iisipin baka it's all in the mind, mga ganun.
Mm. Mm.
So they have to see a very good practitioner, no? So who knows about in-way mind. Like mom tricks. So based on the about chest pain, palpitations, or heart pain, stomach ache. So what does the yin linking vessel influence?
The chest and the heart.
Siyempre, pag may emotional issue, di ba?
Mm.
Dibdib talaga.
Very.
Yeah. Um, Ganito yon. Bago ko makalimutan na, kasi bago ko lang natutunan. The only heart pattern na may pain is heart blood stagnation. So I think you know what to look for in the tongue. So pag may pain siya sa heart, tapos wala ka naman nakitang blood stagnation, most likely you need just to use the channels, no?
Mm.
Yeah, 'di ba?
Yung
Exciting.
mens doc, pag hindi siya nag-manifest sa tongue.
Yeah. Kasi ganito lang yan na. Ito tandaan nyo. Um, the only heart pattern that has pain, no, is of course blood
Heart blood.
stagnation of the heart, no? Alam mo naman itsura. So the tongue will look purple. But this one, hindi pa purple yung tongue.
Mm-mm.
Mm. Yung mga crack-crack lang.
So all of this time, I thought Doc Liver lang yung may stagnation, pati pala yung
Yeah,
heart.
napansin mo?
Heart
Yung
blood.
liver.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ang
Oo.
galing talaga ni Doc She. Kaya nasa ilo-ilo na siya. Okay. I'm sure kumakain ng batcho yan dyan. Puro mga sour graping. Okay, the yin-linking vessel connects what?
It connects the kidneys, the spleen, liver, and the conception vessel.
Lahat ng yin, no?
Yeah.
All the yin. Yin, the opening point of the yin-linking vessel. Opening point.
Pericardium 6.
Coupled point.
PC6 and spleen 4.
Yeah. Ito kasi sa Chong to. So yung kapartner niya is Chong. Diba? Remember Chong? Penetrating or Chong? Yin linking Chong. Diba partner-partner yan? Kung sa Chong, yung opening niya is spleen 4. Tapos yung last niya is pericardium 6. Pero if it's yin linking or yin wei mai, yung opening niya is pericardium 6. Fill in the blanks. Yin linking vessel helps with
Blood
deficiency.
causing emotional disturbances. It calms the mind, especially in women.
Okay. Kaya you have to be, kailangan kasi ng siya natin. Kailangan kasi ng kailangan niya ng bahay, kailangan niya ng resident. So kung kulang ka ng heart blood, so mayroon kang yin deficiency, kakaroon ka ng emotional issue.
Women are more prone kasi diba?
Yeah. Yin linking vessel tonifies blood in the blank.
In the heart.
Yes. To treat
chest pain or tightness, anxiety, depression, nightmares, and
paulit-ulit depression. Should be chest pain. Hala.
chest and
I
tightness.
think it should be anxiety, restlessness yan. Yin linking vessel helps with what headache pattern?
Blood deficiency headaches.
Okay. So that's why here you could really see that blood is very essential. Heart blood is essential to house the Shen. Yin linking vessel is found where on the body?
Found on the medial lower extremities,
Where
on the
does it start?
third lateral line of the abdomen.
Yeah. The kidney 9, yan paakyat, diba? So third lateral line of the abdomen. Fill in the blanks. Yin linking vessel points on the body.
Ren 22 and 23, liver 14, spleen 13, 15, 16,
Yeah.
kidney 9, and PC6.
Okay. Sino una mong itutusok? PC6.
Kidney.
PC6? Yung kidney 9, yan, dyan nagsisimula yung channel. Okay? Pero i-open mo muna PC6. And then second, then sasabayan mo ng spleen 4 sa opposite. Okay, what is the point prescription to nourish heart blood? Kaya ngayon pa lang, marunong na tayo mag-diagnose ng heart blood deficiency. And I don't think I need to ask Ma'am Trix how to do that. Ang dami mo nakitang may heart blood deficiency, di ba? Usually hindi wet.
Question po.
Sige.
Yung kidney 9 sa ear is parang almost doon sa allergy point. Tama po ba?
Yeah,
Sa ilalim po ba yun or sa taas?
sa ilalim.
Okay. Parang sa allergy point nga po yun talaga.
Oo nga.
May klase sa Doc.
Okay. Kasi ang kidney tin sa likod. Okay.
No, actually, tingnan mo yung ano, wag mo naman masyadong sundin yung sa book. Malalaman mo talaga if it's really a point that you have to needle, di ba? Using your probe, ah,
Mhm.
napapa-wince yung pasyente eh.
Pag
No?
masakit.
Yeah. Memorize mo na yung channel sa ear. Grabe.
Kasi
Parang,
Doc, hindi. Kasi yung kidney 7, lagi kong natutusok yan sa kidney chi deficiency. Laging may kidney
ah,
7.
actually, hindi naman siya nagmamatter masyado, no? Like, okay,
Mm-mm.
like kidney 7, you want to tonify the chi, the yang, no? So,
Oo.
ginagamit natin yan pag malamig,
Mm.
kulang sa init, no? So,
Mm-mm.
walang nangyari. So, hindi mo pala dapat ini-needle yun.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Kidney 6 is
Pero
more
ang
on
gagawin
tonifying the yin. Kidney 3
Mm.
is your yin source point, right? Now we know that kidney 9 is for she cleft, right? So, I have a question. Why do you use she? Why do you use kidney 9? Is this, we all know that kidney 9 is the she cleft point of the kidney channel. But why is it mentioned here? Kasi dahil may pain, di ba? Oo. So, iisipin mo, kailangan ko bang gamitin yung she cleft ng heart or shall I use the kidney?
Kidneys.
You have to use the kidney because the kidney should communicate with the heart, right? Water and fire.
Mm. Mm.
Make sense?
Okay.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
At saka obviously, kulang na, o tingnan mo, heart blood deficient na nga eh. So what is the point prescription? Dr. She,
Ano ulit
PC6.
din, Doc?
how do you nourish? Ay, gumawa ka ba na assignment? O sige, sige na si Ma'am Trix na, gigil na.
Hindi.
O ano?
Naalala ko lang yung we used with tawag dito, yung classmate natin from alala mo, nung di ba may heart problem siya, you used PC6 nun. So,
Mm.
si
Yeah.
ano, Doc?
I think that yung classmate
Ay,
natin,
ano?
she has
Oo, yung may
emotion. I
heart.
don't think, yeah, may chest pain din siya, di ba?
Opo, di ba nung
Mm.
time na parang, Doc, parang mahimatay na ako, and then you used PC6 and yun, kidney, yan yata, yun yung ginamit mo po ata yun.
Okay,
Kasi isa sa
D9.
feet, then isa
Inulaan
dito
ko
sa
lang
may
dito.
wrist. Kasi, di ba? Tinesting natin sa
Yung
kanya
pala
yun.
yung ano, ito pala dapat, no?
Ah,
Saka napansin mo yung kamay niya malamig.
yeah, malamig siya.
Doc, di ba you can needle PC6 through and through?
Why do you have to needle through and through?
Pero pwede, di ba? Sino nagsabi sa akin?
Oh,
Sa
Diyos
ears?
ko. Ang alam ko si
Sa
Dr.
wrist,
Malangka lang
oo.
gumagawa
Sa
niyan.
wrist?
No,
Oh.
wait lang ha. You need a
Yeah,
very,
sa
very
wrist.
thick needle to do that. Otherwise,
Para
mababali yun.
mag-through. Oo. Pero,
The very thick needle. You have to use the old
mm.
ones. Yung mga inaano pa, ininit-init lang. Ano
Oh
ba
my
to?
God.
Turbo ni Doktora Palangka, no? Gusto mo makita yung kanya mga classic na needle.
Needle.
Oh, hanapin mo, vintage na vintage. Gagalaw pa yun. Ang haba. Okay. Mom Tricks, what's your answer here?
Um, PC6, Clean 4, Kidney 9, and Ren 15.
Okay. In that order. Okay? Unahin mo si
Mm.
PC6, tapos si
Mm.
Spleen 4. Siguro
Kidney 9.
bilateral mo to except
Mm, dala.
Spleen 1 lang talaga, no?
So
Bilateral,
this will be applicable also, Doc, to people who has hyperthyroidism.
why?
Kasi um yung isang staff kasi namin has hyperthyroidism kasi
Wait
may
lang.
palpitation siya eh.
No,
Pero
no.
Doc, nag-ano siya, nag nagda-dark yung lips niya tsaka yung tongue
Mhm.
niya. Yun ang Kasi yun nga ang pinagkakatakahan ko din sa kanya eh. Ah,
Ganito. Ay, hindi pa pala tanungin mo si Ma'am Trix, expert siya sa Thailand.
Uy,
Ah,
hindi.
baka na masyado. Um, ano ba to? Ay,
kasi lately she has a lot of palpitation. Eh, simula nung nag-treat tayo, Doc, nung may heart problem yung classmate natin. Yung classmate ko pala, sorry. Di
sino
ba
na?
natakot ako, baka biglang mahimatay.
Okay.
So, medyo ano ako sa kanya, medyo hesitant ako kasi pagdating sa gano'n. So,
Okay.
most of the time kasi, Doc, she feels,
Hmm.
uh, ano, parang yung lagi siyang nahihilo, and then yung
Hmm.
palpitation niya, grabe.
Hmm.
Pero almost dark na yung lips niya. Minsan yung tongue niya, nakikita ko talaga. Kaya nga sabi ko, so considered pala kasi akala ko all of this time, liver lang may stagnation. So, sabi ko, pati pala heart. Kaya pala yung tongue niya, iba yung
Oh.
pagka,
Hmm.
ano niya, sabi ko.
Hmm.
So, ngayon yung nakita ko yung point prescription to nourish the heart blood. Ay,
Hmm.
paano yan siya, no? Paano mo siya ino-nourish
So
to
wait
kung
lang, wait lang.
over na?
These are the points that you use to nourish the heart blood if the case is yung nandoon yung may mga obsession, yung may mga fear, may depression,
So,
yung mga ganon. Pero
or
may
more
mga iba,
emotional.
wala namang ganon. So hindi ito dapat yung point mo. Gets mo?
Okay. Okay,
So
Doc.
kasi
Okay,
topic
Doc.
natin is more on the yin wei mai, puro yin. So ito yung,
Okay.
yan, nag-emote na nga si Ma'am Trix niyan eh. Mm.
Hindi
Tapos
ah.
siya niya yung ano. If ay gagamitin niya yan, okay. So unahin mo yung PC6,
Mhm.
Lin 4, kidney na. But you don't use this on ordinary, like yung, kasi nakita mo lang, wala namang emotional issue, di ba? Kaya, you have to interview the patient.
Actually, meron din siya, Doc, kasi ano eh, ah mga 2 years na namatay yung husband niya, pero parang di pa siya naka-move on.
Katulad ng
Single mother siya sa
um,
tatlo.
kidney 9. Kidney 9 is a she cleft point. So you don't use that on heart blood stagnation, right? Mm. So, ibig sabihin, itong pasyenteng to, wala pang heart blood stagnation. Or nagpatingin sa cardio, walang nakitang ah, problema. Okay?
Okay.
Pero dahil sa mga
So,
yung kanyang ano ba to, hugot, yung mga ganun, no? So these are the things na once the patient opens up to you, that means, nako, lahat na siguro ng mga,
yeah.
ano, okay? REN 15, we all know, is the front mu, right, of the heart, no? We did not use the, kasi wala namang problema pa sa heart masyado, no? So, ibig sabihin ito, this is all caused by the disconnect between the kidney and the heart. Okay? Next, what are the points to open the chest and hypochondrium, Ma'am Trix?
Mm, PC6 and spleen 4 together with REN 15. And then lung 7 on the side opposite of PC6 and stomach 40 on the opposite side of spleen 4.
Okay, go. So nakita
Mm.
nyo, unahin nyo yung PC6 and spleen 4. Oo. So kung ina-anticipate mo na, ay, parang dito ko na magagamit yung aking inaral sa Yin Wei Mai. So magtanong-tanong ka na ng mga dapat mong malaman. So for postnatal depression, kapapanganak, di ba this is common?
Mm.
Ano yung tawag dyan, Doc? Ang
Postpartum.
tawag, postpartum.
Postpartum.
Correct.
Yan. Oh.
Okay,
Postpartum.
Madam Trix.
PC6, spleen 4, REN 15, do 20, stomach 36, kidney 9, spleen 6.
Yeah. Do 20 here is to lift the spirits. Kasi down na down siya after siya manganak. Lalo na pag nag-bleed siya or hindi naman niya gusto yung point prescription for pain in the joints with numbness and tingling, but there is no swelling or heat. So wala siyang damp heat. Ano lang,
Mm,
numbness lang siya and tingling. So, nandun pa rin si PC6 and spleen 4. What else?
for Li11,
Mhm.
opposite spleen 6. Stomach 43, opposite spleen 4.
Mhm.
Ren 4, stomach 36, and spleen 6.
Okay, very good. What does way translate as?
Atrophy, tie down, hold together to maintain or to safeguard. Hold.
What is the main function?
Um, it ties all the yin meridians together, controls the interior of the body, the blood and yin, and governs nutritive chi.
Basta the keywords are yin, tapos interior. So, andyan
Mm.
si, yeah, blood and yin. What are the clinical applications of the Inway Mai?
To nourish the heart, to open the chest and hypochondrium, to nourish the blood and yin, for B syndrome and loss of voice, for mental, emotional problems or postnatal depression, headaches, and for female genitalia.
Yeah, headache. Huh?
Headache.
In regards to nourishing the heart, what is this meridian responsible for? Which points would you use?
For heart pain with empty condition or dull ache, PC6 and spleen 4, and then kidney 9 and CV15.
Ito yung kanina, di ba? Naulit lang.
Yan.
Hanggang sa tumatak sa ulo na. What
Heart.
sort of chest ache is indicated for Inway? Which points would you use?
When the ache occurs due to blood deficiency and the pulse is choppy or fine, we use PC6, spleen 4, Ren 15, lung 7, stomach 40.
Yeah. Alam niyo ba, stomach
Doc,
40 is so
question,
good.
ba't may stomach 40 kung wala namang phlegm?
No, no. Stomach 40 is really good for the chest.
Ah,
Mm.
okay.
You review the indications of stomach 40.
Ayan.
Lalo na yung stifling
Mm-hmm.
sensation. Yeah. What is a common yin deficiency symptom involving the throat, seen in yin way? Which points would you use?
For loss of voice due to disharmony of yin wei and with background of yin deficiency due to its intersecting the renmai,
Yeah.
we use PC6, spleen 4, kidney 9, spleen 6.
So basically, this is just similar to blood deficiency, except that we wanted to put more emphasis on the spleen 6. Um, Kaya dapat tandaan mo yung PC6, spleen 4, and kidney 9. What are the symptoms of B syndrome in regards to Inwe? Which points would you use?
For general joint ache with numbness or tingling, no swelling or heat, we use PC6, spleen 4, Li11, stomach 43, CV4, stomach 36, spleen 6.
Okay. Because Inwe has a tonifying action on the heart and it nourishes blood, it can be used for symptoms that are.
Anxiety, depression, apprehension, sadness, and worry.
Napansin mo, lahat ng ito pwede sa isang tao lang eh.
Mm-mm.
Ay, wait
Yes.
lang. Pwede sa isang tao lang. Okay, let's go to which points do you use for blood deficiency with chest oppression that is causing mental emotional problems?
PC6, spleen 4, GV15, GV24, CV4, kidney 9, spleen 6.
Okay. Which points for postnatal depression? as a result of liver and heart blood deficiency?
Sorry. PC6, spleen 4, CV4, CV15, GV20, stomach 36, kidney 9, and spleen 6.
Okay. So andun pa rin si kidney 9. What sort of headache
And,
would you see with Yin Wei Mai?
headaches resulting from blood deficiency,
So blood
particularly at
deficiency
the back
headache.
of the neck.
Okay. Actually, ito dapat yung ginamit ko sa patient ko noon. She was complaining of masakit talaga dito niya for 1 year. Nagpa-PET
Mm-mm.
scan pa nga eh, gumastos pa na malaki. Wala naman nakita.
Liver. Mm-mm.
So yung pala puro imo. Should I have known about this, di ba? So yung blood
Mm.
deficiency niya, headache, is due to, syempre pag nag-liver yang
Liver
right,
yang.
kulang
Mm-mm.
ng yin, kulang ng blood, di ba?
Blood. Mm-mm.
What sort of symptoms regarding the
Mm.
genitalia would you see with Inway? Which points would you use?
Um, for soreness, redness, and dryness, we use PC6, spleen 4, CV2, spleen 6, and liver 5.
Okay. Yung liver 5 talaga and CV2, they are very, very near na. Mechanism of Inway Mai.
Uh, impact major transitions we undergo in life.
Wow, galing naman. Okay. So, there are people kasi, they cannot, you know, hindi sila sanay, no? So,
Yes.
intindihin na lang natin. So, yung mga ganung tao, you need to be able to spot them or
Mm.
identify them ASAP. Sadly, pupunta sila sa iba-iba, ang daming nagastos, ganun pa rin.
Yes.
Kaya, ano, when Wei Yin and Yang are imbalanced, what do people feel?
They feel pensiveness, obsession, loss of will, motivation, and lack of self-control.
Okay. Yung mga what ifs niya can all lead to chow problems. So, this is like the way pupunta ka agad sa chow, no? Puro mga what if, puro doubt. If there is difficulty with choices being made, Inway will show body and shan symptoms of, repeat mo na.
Of angina, palpitations, anxiety of not getting what we anticipated or cannot overcome the past,
Hmm.
fear, and depression.
Ang galing pala ng mga ano no, EOVs. Grabe. Oh. Kaya pala yung iba nagpa-palpitation, wala namang nakita. Naga-heart pain,
Mm.
naga-angina, wala naman. But, yung bang hindi makamove, yung mga nangyari. If blood is not,
Mm-mm.
yeah, kaya
Mm-mm.
now, parang this is your favorite topic, no? If blood does not move, what needs to be open?
Pericardium
Yeah,
for mentally and emotionally blocked individuals.
imagine, emotional na pati mental pa, di ba? PC
Mm.
opens the chest to overcome what type of experience?
Trauma.
Oh, pati yung pagsalita mo parang iba. Parang feel na feel. Balance in way my by being in the.
Being in the present
Okay. Yung iba
and
kasi, hindi na gumalaw sa past. No? Yes
mm-mm.
nyo? So
Yes.
stagnated siya by longing for the.
Uh, the past.
Hmm. Now you know.
Yes.
Kaya go. Present moment dapat.
Mm-mm.
Inway keeps the yin balance by returning yin to where?
Ren 22 and 23 to conserve it. and then replenish prenatal yin with postnatal.
Ay, mabuti pa siguro mag-prophylactic ano tayo niyan, no? From kidney 9, pupunta sa liver 14, di ba, no? Pero unahin niyo muna yung PC6 and spleen 4. Di ba nakita
Or
niyo naka-ready? So, finale niya Ren 22-23. Classical sign in Yin Wei. What do you feel in the chest?
heart pain, palpitation, and affected shen.
Okay. Buti na lang yan kasi hindi pa siya pathological masyado, di ba? Sa channel pa lang, di ba? Kaya na
Mm-mm.
bewilder yung iba. Bakit ano ba to? No, di ba?
Bago pa lang.
Yan pala yun. Kailangan pala mag-attend ng lecture sa Inway Mind. Physiological sign.
Obsession with the past, a lack of sense of purpose, no motivation, and no will.
Ay, gamin ko pala ito sa aking friend na ano,
Obsession.
yung hindi makaano. Parati niyang
Naka-move
nire-reminisce
on.
yung past. So, wala siyang
Mm-mm.
vision for tomorrow. O nga pala, no? Kopyahin ko na yung mga points. Okay, Yinwei Mai links what?
uh, yin to create the substance goes back to the ren and yinks all the yin functions to support ren.
Yes. Responsible for
Integrity of structure keeps yin from disintegrating, but it's also a medium for aging.
yeah. It takes
Mm.
us out of
Takes us out of first ancestry into the outside world. Emotions like disappointment and regret, heart pain. It inhibits flow through Wei Qi channels.
so pag
Mm.
nag-regret ka, nangyari na yun eh, di ba? Past na yun. So,
Yes.
mag-ano ka talaga.
Move on.
What else? Pwede rin siya sa fluids, di ba?
But it pertains to the body fluids, primarily the blood, as the medium by which life experiences are stored and contained within the body. It also plays a role in chronic obsessions,
Mm,
hang-ups, and others.
yeah. Interesting. No?
Hmm.
Chronic obsession.
Also,
Treatment principle number 1.
to calm the shin,
So, dapat kalmado yung pasyente mo. No? Number 2.
to nourish the blood.
So, unahin mo muna yung manifestation, calm the shen, and then you nourish the blood. Kasi pag hindi mo
Yeah.
na-nourish yung blood, andun pa rin yung problema. Number
Mhm.
3,
To regulate chi.
yeah, because if there is no chi, how will there be blood, di ba?
It won't move.
It won't move. And number 4,
To nourish any yin humor in absence of stagnation of yin humor. If stagnation exists, use ren or chong.
okay. Number 5,
To nourish any yin humor in presence of chi stasis or emotional stasis.
okay, the non-pathological state.
Attention on the present moment.
So, the ibig sabihin, there's nothing wrong with you if you're living,
Mm.
yung talagang
In the
nasa
present
moment
moment.
ka, yung ngayon, di ba? Hmm.
Mm.
Pathological state.
Obsession, deficiency, and stagnation.
Yeah. Past or future.
Mm.
Yung mga hindi nangyari. Classic signs of Inwei Mai. Again.
Mm. Heart pain, palpitations, restlessness, the Shen effect, flying pulse at UB58, dizziness, and sudden fainting.
Okay, when you have a patient like this, tingnan mo kung may yung flying, nagpa-fly ang pulse sa bladder 58. I'm sure maraming magpi-feel ngayon sa mga
Paano yun? How do you feel? Paano
flying,
yung flying pulse?
maalagwa,
Like it's magalaw?
magal
Like,
lumilipad, lumilipad.
like parang butterfly, gano'n. Like
Ewan
butterfly.
ko, hindi ko pa naramdaman yan. Hindi ko pa. Pero, syempre, nagpa-fly nga eh. Wala nga silang term. So, this is actually classic for Yin Wei Mai. So, pag
Mm,
nakita mo yung pasyente mo, hanapin mo kagad yung bladder 58. Yun naman, ay, oh,
okay.
confirmation. Tapos, madaling mag-faint, mahilo, palpitations.
Mm.
So, physical indications,
Mm.
number one.
Uh, Five accumulations, obsession with the past and future, drains the
Okay, so that means you have to sedate. You have to drain the Ren and the Du. No? Number, okay, five accumulations. Yung
mm,
number one.
abdominal tightness or chopstick
Okay. Yan yung heart. Number two,
or or
yeah, the
panting,
lungs. Yeah. And number three,
liver or fatty deposits.
number four.
Spleen and glomus.
Ay, ano ba naman to?
Training.
It's raining. Tingnan mo.
Mm.
Ano ba naman tong si ano? Ay, by the way, bago ko makalimutan, attend kayo sa Wednesday. So, wala tayong webinar on Wednesday. Um, we also welcome sa PAAY, non-members, um,
Mhm.
impact of nutrition sa health natin. Now, ano daw ang magagawa nito sa acupuncturist? Because uh, meron tayong, meron tayong tinatawag na yin deficiency or blood deficiency na wala siyang effect pag puro acupuncture lang. Diba? So you need to be very
Mhm.
knowledgeable sa nutrition. Okay?
Yeah, that's why I
Mhm.
incorporate naturopathy with
Mm.
auriculotherapy.
True.
Mm.
Mas
So
mas grabe
Dapat
talaga ang
both.
effect niya.
yeah, kaya yung mga naturopath, ma'am naturopath. Doc She, invite mo yung mga naturopath. Support naman
Opo,
kayo. Sa,
sinasabi ko lagi, oo, sa
it is a
group chat
1 to
namin.
5, 1 to 5 p.m. Oo, ano daw kinalaman nito sa... Diyos ko naman, walang kaalam-alam. No comment. Ano daw kinalaman ng nutrition sa acupuncturist? Oh my gosh. You should go back to
Well,
basics.
well, basically, lahat naman po ng chronic
What
diseases comes
exactly do
from
you mean by
nutrition.
yin deficiency, qi deficiency, blood deficiency? Gosh. And that question came from, ay, no comment, baka ma-issue pa. Hindi ko na lang. I'll try to figure out how I can attack it in a very diplomatic way. As if I'm dealing with somebody who is, oh gosh.
One should not
Tapusin na natin.
underestimate every modality
Yeah.
kasi one way or
Yes.
another talaga,
No, 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 no.
essential talaga siya sa wellness ng isang tao.
Ganito kasi, like, yin deficiency, kulang na nutrition yan. Diba? Blood deficiency.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Blood, yes.
Mm.
Well, what is
True.
the basics? Diyos.
The
Ang
common
director
is not
general yan
common.
dati ng ano, ng TikTok. Uy,
The
magpakita
comment
kayo
is not
ha.
commenting. Ma'am
Invite
Trek.
The common is not
invite-
commoning.
Kaya nga ano
Walang
inano ko,
common sense.
mag-a-attend talaga ako 1 to 5. Oh. Sige,
Mm-mm.
magkita-kita tayo doon. Invite your ano ha. Okay. A
Mm-mm.
glomus. Okay. Accumulation number
And
4.
spleen and glomus. Glomus.
Okay. Mga tumor. Mm.
Mm-mm.
Number 5.
Kidney and running pigletry.
Yeah.
Piglet.
Do you know what it is? Parang bigla na lang umalsa. Medyo parang bang ano, yung tumutunog na, parang sumisigaw ng mga piglet yung tiyan mo. Like, when you have,
Mm,
yeah, it's a sense of energy na parang bigla lang, no? Mm. So, dahil yan sa stress, poor diet, or may problema ka talaga sa spleen and stomach, or may imbalance ka.
mm-mm.
Now, let's go to psychological indications naman. Number 1.
Um, Past. Obsession with the past. Trauma, disappointments, and hurt or guilt. Living in the what ifs
Yes.
of life.
Number 2.
Lack of control. Not feeling in control of one's life.
Psychological indication number 3.
Suppression of memories. We're not talking about the past. Truth. Visceral agitation.
Yeah. Denial of expression. Not
And
talking about the past. Pag hindi ka pa makapagkwento about the past, hindi ka pa naka-move on. Number 5.
yes, anxiety.
Okay. So life is not turning out as expected. You cannot overcome the past. Worry about contracting a familial disease. Yung mga minana
Please.
mo,
Mm-mm.
no?
Mm-mm.
Kasi wala ka namang
Mm-mm.
ginagawa.
Mm-mm.
Psychological indications number 6.
Uh, Heart or emotional pains like finances,
Yeah, andyan na naman yung finance.
prosperity, health, career, mm-mm, vocation, relationships,
Yeah.
children or creativity, adventure, and home.
So mga ganyan, may mga money matters, family,
Mm-mm.
career. Okay, opening point again.
TC6.
Yeah. Pulse. What
Um, should be vibrating in two positions. The Guan and Sure at
the
deep
second?
level.
Yeah. Nagba-vibrate.
Guan,
Feel you down.
Guan and Sure. Mm-mm.
The yin wei ma, ay sinabi mo na to, di ba? From the medial leg to the brain. No, kidney 9,
Uh-huh.
spleen 13, 15, 16, liver
Spleen 13.
red 22, 23. Only, yeah. She cleft point needling.
Um, Reduce for emergencies. Vibrate for psychological and philosophical meaning.
Alam mo pa ano mag-vibrate, no?
Oo nga, paano yun?
Pitik-pitik.
Yung
Pitikin mo lang
electro,
yung ano, yung needle. Magbabibrate
needle.
yun. Oo. Kidney 9. Let's talk about kidney
The
9.
question pala, paano kaya, di ba, ni-needle mo, tapos biglang nagva-vibrate mag-isa yung needle? Does it mean malakas yung chi?
Siguro, siguro, kailangan mo siyang,
Kasi it
no, kung
happened to me.
nagbabibrate na siya, kailangan mo siyang i-sedate.
Tapos natanggal eh.
Baka ba yun
Not twice.
nagbabibrate?
Hindi. Dun sa, ano eh, natanggal siya. Natanggal yung needle.
Talaga? Baka naman mababaw lang yung paglagay mo.
Mm-mm. Hindi.
Anong point?
Like, mga 1.5. I forget. Basta sa may arm area. I forget na ano.
Baka excess na excess.
LI4 ata. I
Ah,
can remember. LI4 ata yun.
okay. Five
Nag-vibrate
soon.
siya, tapos biglang natanggal.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko alam. Baka
Anyway,
nag-excess. Baka hindi mo dapat yun ni needle.
excess.
Okay, 5 soon above kidney
Mm.
3. And it is called the guest house or the she cleft of the Inway Mai. We reduce for emergency to clear the heart heat, the pain, and the fright, no?
Mhm.
We vibrate for deeper meaning of step outside of the self and see ourselves as a guest with less judgment, take on a freer identity. For social anxiety, work stress, treats trauma and grounds patients, allowing them to know who they are again, and also for detoxing in pregnancy. That's kidney 9, 5 tune from kidney 3. Next, let's go to spleen 13, 0.72 of spleen
13.
12, port tune lateral to the anterior midline. The abode of the bowels, the warehouse of residence, nadidefine mo yung home base mo. So if,
Mhm.
di ba, di ba minsan pag hindi mo bahay, hindi ka din nakakadumi. So, di ba, may mga gan.
Mm-mm.
Okay, parang iba. Lalo na pag
Yes.
iba itsura. Okay, so, pero pag nasanay ka na, lalo na pag matagal ka nang tumitira. Okay, long term.
Mm-mm.
So it's basically not being able to, live in the now. So andun ka pa rin sa past,
No.
no? So magkakaroon ka ng abdominal accumulations, obesity, and then this is the meeting point of stomach and the three yin of the leg. Yan dyan po ang spleen 13. Spleen 15 is on the middle of the abdomen, fourth zone lateral to the center of the body. It's called the great curve. At saka yung mga chaos, incomplete assimilation, avoidance. It
No
moves stagnation, may mga
stagnation.
obsession and dampness. Anyway, you'll all have this. Spleen 16, three tune above the center of the umbilicus, fourth tune lateral to the anterior midline. Fourth tune. Abdominal weakness, treat
Mhm.
self-remorse, open self to unconditional love. Treats
Mm.
dysentery or diarrhea, unable to move on. So mag-move on ka na para makadumi ka na. And also ang PTSD. PTSD, descends to cheap
Yes.
dump, accumulations. See, very effective pala yung mga yan, no? Liver 14, who would
Mm.
ever think, right? Okay, this is directly below the nipple, 6 intercostal, 4 lateral to anterior midline. Gateway of completion, letting go. Hmm. Feel life is complete. Menses, creates irregular menses, dysmenorrhea. Kaya yung mga menstruation ng mga babae, minsan may mga ano yan meaning, no? REN 22, celestial chimney, enables the patient to let go of what
Mm.
they need to say. So masasabi na nila. REN 23, angular spring, Articulation of one's truth. Heart pain results when we don't speak our truth. Hmm. Kasi truth hurts. Yin Wei Mai coincides with the spleen channel. Origin, kidney 9, alam niyo na yan. The point, tapos na din. According kay Machocha, kasama si spleen 12. Hmm? So nadagdagan. 13,
Okay.
15, 16, liver 14. Ends at root of the tongue. Hmm? So in terms of point, 23. Yin Wei Mai dominates the blank. Ano?
Interior.
Dominates
Interior.
blank in the yin channels,
In
the chi in the yin channels, especially the heart,
the heart, lungs, stomach, and spleen.
yeah, heart, lung, spleen, stomach. Yin Wei Mai balances emotions by blank the spirits and blank emotion.
Lifting, balancing the
Yeah,
emotion.
importante kasi balance ang emotions, diba? Yin Wei disorders, um,
Uh,
blank, and
heart,
blank.
chest, and stomach.
Yeah, such as cardiac pain, chest stuffiness, and na epigastric pain. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, pwedeng meron ka ring epigastric pain, no?
Okay.
Vomiting, borborygmi, diarrhea, abdominal masses. Emotional disorders. What are the emotional disorders? Ang yin may mind?
Low self-esteem, lack of will, and discouragement.
Saka unstable yung mental status niya, no? Yin Wei Mai deals with
The blood.
Yin Wei Mai nourishes blank
Blood.
and is used to calm blank and regulate blank.
Nourishes the yin, calms the spirit, and regulates the chi.
Shan is housed by
The blood.
the person needs to make a choice, but they don't know what. They are stuck, not going internal or external. That stuckness is blank.
Shaoyang.
Great. Yin Wei Mai ascends to the throat to meet conception vessel at these 2 points.
Ren 22 and 23.
Okay, the accumulations, yung lima, what are they?
So heart, it's hidden beam. Lung, it's panting. Liver is fatty deposits. Spleen is glomus. Kidney is running piglet or
Oh,
panic.
panic attack. Classic physical symptoms.
Heart pain, palpitations, restlessness, affective shen, low back pain, depression or fear, dizziness, and fainting.
So paulit-ulit na memorize na natin, no? Psychospiritually, Yin Wei Mai is
Um, Concerned with the meaning that we derive from life and helps us to respond to life with clarity and compassion.
very good. Yin Wei allows us to link
Our past and our future, and to help the aging process.
okay. Yin Wei Mai is very helpful in patients that just need some extra tender, loving care. O, di ba? Yun lang talaga kakailangan nila. May mga ano talaga very fragile. So,
Yin
excited.
Wei.
Gamitin ko yan sa isa.
Yin Wei is the way.
Okay, taking on an identity postnatal.
Kidney 9.
Imagine may identity kang iba. Para nandoon ka pa rin sa on. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining. I really had
Thanks,
great
Doc.
fun.